Remember when everyone reckoned Ripple was finished? Well, have a look at this. The past 24 hours have seen Ripple pull a totally unexpected move with their escrow. Instead of the usual monthly pattern where they unlock a billion XRP and drip feed some back in, this time they locked away 670 million tokens across 2 internal transactions, slashing the amount hitting the open market and sending a clear signal they're actively managing supply. This alone had traders scrambling, with XRP briefly slipping 7% down to around $2.14 before stabilizing just above $2.20 as order books went wild and trading volumes shot up over 30% above average, according to major exchanges. But the real battleground's now forming right at the $2.30 resistance, where institutional players have been layering buy orders, soaking up supply every time the price tries to break through. Technicals show a classic squeeze, with RSI stuck in a bullish range and the MACD hinting at possible upside, but sellers have held firm so far. Here's where it gets interesting. Coinbase has officially confirmed that institutional XRP futures will go live 24 hours a day, starting June 13th. Each contract representing 10,000 tokens with a 10% hourly move cap to fend off wild swings. That's music to cautious hedge funds, and it's pushed open interest in XRP futures to just under $5 billion as desks position early. And if you're following the regulation drama, keep your calendars locked for June 17th. The SEC is due to decide on Franklin Templeton's spot XRP ETF application, and analysts agree that a green light there could squeeze supply, boost volume, and drag mainstream capital into the market. Don't get sucked in by the noise about BlackRock. Their rumored ETF filing is unsubstantiated so far, but the real wildcard is the US House's Clarity Act, now moving through Congress, aiming to reclassify XRP as a commodity and set proper rules for all digital assets, which the UK and EU are watching closely. So, XRP's got supply locked down, institutional tools firing up, and possibly its cleanest run at regulatory clarity since launch, with volatility still high and big players quietly accumulating. What price do you think XRP hits by month end? Drop your prediction below, follow for daily XRP breakdowns, and check my bio for detailed analysis on my blog.